next technique is going to be the roundhouse kick, which is called Dollyo Chagi in Korean. So, with the front kick, you're full facing. For the roundhouse kick, you have to be side facing. This is when the front begins. As you know, the standing leg has to turn. It has to turn because your hips need to turn. If you do it like this, right, that's not going to be that effective. But if you do it like that, it's going to be more effective. So, for this technique, you have to make sure standing leg turns 45-degree angle, sometimes even more if you want to do a full kick. So let me show you. If you are just here, you want to do a roundhouse kick, that's not a roundhouse kick. To start turning the leg, the hip is going to open. So we're not like this, going to open. And the more you're opening the standing leg, the more turning it away from the target, the more you can kick, and it's going to be a more effective kick. So now let's just do 45-degree angle turn. So 45, 90, 180. We're completely turning, but that's for the side kick. So for now, 45 or 90-degree angle turn to the standing leg. And make sure that your knee is up. The reason why it's up is to make sure that you can manage the level and the height of the kick. If it's just down here, again, it's just going there. If it's up here, and kick midsection. And if it's up high, kick higher. Let's just try it in pieces and then we're going to put it together. If you turn your standing leg 45-degree angle this side, lift up your leg and kick and back. Lift up, kick and back. Start with the low section first, so just feel the move. And you can see I'm not facing you, I'm facing to the side where the standing leg is. Okay? So we start from here and do it together. There is a moment when the kick turns and the kick goes out. So, like that. That's very difficult to practice, but it's very important. So, slowly lift up, go, 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 and then out. One more time, lift up, go, 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 and out. Now let's try to put the two things together. And back. You're not dropping the knee or the leg after the kick. Lift it up and go back. Because you can always kick more, right? If it's up here, you can already move anywhere. And then you can put it down. So again, and back. Slowly, but with some power. And back. One more time. And back. One more time. And back. Again. And back. Very good. Now we're gonna turn this feet a little bit more. So 90-degree angle. So we're here, then here, and here. Again, if it doesn't feel comfortable to you, then don't do it. You just stay here. If you can, try to raise up your knee a little bit higher and do a little bit higher kick. Okay? So for this, you don't have to start from here. You start from here. This is also better because it gives you a wider range of motion. You're not starting from here. It's just for the practice. You start from here. This is called a ninja sagi, L stance. As you can see here, this is 1, 2, 3.5 feet long, and turn the foot a little bit inside. And then you go down, 70% body weight on the back leg, 30% on the front. This is not in the middle, like this, a little bit that way. This is more technical, but I just want you to hear it and later move on from this. So, from here, you don't have to go into a full ninja sagi, just a half women sagi, so walking stance, but not full motion, just comfortable. You're not doing the basic movements right now. This is part of the kicking training, but you need to know where we start and where we finish. So this is a full range of motion here. So this is a full range of motion here. You can do the way you stop the technique and move forward, or you can do full kick. Again, it depends on what the circumstance is. For now, let's just try and full kick. So start from the back, lift up, up, up. You can see standing leg turns. And up, up, kick, and back. Oh, I'm sorry, I forgot to say that for this kick, the roundhouse kick, you're either using the top part of your foot or sometimes the ball of the foot in this kick, but let's just use top part, it's nicer. So up, up, knee up high, leg turns, okay? So knee up high, turn, kick, and down. One more time. So up and back. For the kick, you have to make sure that you quickly do it and then still hold on and put it down, because once your leg is up, you can still add more if you want to. Because once your leg is up like this, you can still add more however much you want. So let's do it together. Breathe out, just chilling, just feeling good, and then and back. One more time. And back. Again. And breathe out. Hands are always in a guarding position. Okay, so we are not going anywhere here because that's not good. So hands up and back. Okay, keep going and back. Of course, this applies to the low section and back. Whatever feels comfortable, you do that. One more time and back. Let's do some with the left. If you only did the right leg for this. Okay, it's the same thing with the left. Again, one and down. First low section and down. One and down. And down. Low section and down. If you want, you can go a little bit higher and back. One time. Down and down. Two more. Last one. Down. Okay, very good. That was the move for the roundhouse kick when you're actually holding it. Obviously, the roundhouse kick will be a full motion, so like that. But we're not doing that right now. We are more into holding and being precise.